Now that's what I'm looking for. Smoked salmon, asparagus pies, and hard-boiled eggs. That's the salad. New Kraft extra virgin olive oil signature dressing made with superior ingredients.
Are you pooping? We got you on camera. Pooping.
You can win the chance to compete in a cook-off judged by celebrity chefs and win a trip for 2 to Italy. New Kraft extra virgin olive oil signature dressings. Enter the contest.
Thank you so much. How do I entertain a packed house? With my new Electrolux appliances. Now I can cook the roast for the dinner party and the mac and cheese.
Yeah, that was good. Oh god, I think I'm gonna throw up. That's funny.
Monsters under the bed. Introducing Electrolux with wave touch controls. Boils water in 90 seconds. You can be even more amazing.
Look at gosh, she's smart.
A little monkey.
Yeah.
He's all her limbs.
Yeah. They're working grab her right around them with her. Okay. She's a little monkey. Oh, you got it! Watch her toes. Oh, yeah. Get it. Get it. It'll teach that thing a lesson. Yeah. Oh. She's a clever girl.
Every time.
Yeah, she does.
I've been to a swingers club.
She's gonna be a good tree climber.
The new matchmaker presents mating ritual.
Oh, lady's dead.
Show off your shaving.
Kick him when he's down. Yeah.
Oh.
You are one smart little cookie.
Arms off. Kill him. Kill him.
Oh, he got away.
Tuesdays at 8:30 on Slice.
Oh. No, she's like a.
Jennifer's weight is exploding. Weight 190 pounds. Recently things.
Oh, she got her teddy bear. It's like those stuffed animal things. You take the claw and try to get an animal.
Yeah.
Or whatever you call them. That's what she is. Look at her. Yay, baby!
Let's try a different one.
Alright. Bye, Forsythia! Bye-bye. Did I say Forsythia? I did. I meant Forsythia. Woo! Okay. Say bye. Can you go like that? Go like that. Go like that. Bye. Go like that. No? You can do that. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Look at my hand. Give me 5. Oh, give me 5. Kick my feet. Oh.